How many people are there in your family? There are 6 people in my family. My father, mother, 2 brothers, and me. Does your family live in a house or in an apartment? We live in a house in the countryside. What does your father do? My father is a sailor. He works in Dubai. How old is your mother? She is 50 years old, 2 years younger than my father. Do you have any siblings? What is her or her name? Yes, I do. I have 2 elder brothers, Ilham and Ichal, and 1 elder sister, Samria. Are you the oldest among your brothers and sisters? No, I'm not. I'm the 4th, or I'm the last child in my family. What do your mother or father like? My father likes singing, and my mother likes cooking. Do your parents let you stay out late? Of course not. They always ask me to get home before 10 p.m. each night. Do you stay with your parents? Right now, no, but I used to. Did your family usually have dinner together? Yes, we do. My mother always prepares delicious meals for us. Well, guys, for more lessons, please subscribe, like, comment, and share it.